Hello, this video is going to show you how to install a staircase into your floor plan. So this staircase is going to go from the basement up to the first floor. So this is the area that my stairs is going to go into. Right here, I want my stairs to go down this way and then down this way to the basement. So first you select architecture, and then you select the stairs option, and then there's some components here. You can have different types of stairs, U-shaped winder, the L-shaped winder. That's the one I want to use, but there's also some spirals and some straight run stairs. So this is the one I want to use. I'm going to select that. Actual run width, 3 feet. Yep, that's a standard width of stairs, so that's what I'm going to keep it as. And then I'm going to go through the list of constraints here. So it says base level is first floor. So this one is saying that it's going from the first floor to the second floor. But I want this to go from the basement to the first floor. Okay, and then it automatically tells you how many risers you're going to have, and this one is 14, so this is 14 steps up. So don't change that, it's going to automatically calculate that for you depending on your floor to floor height, and that includes the depth of your floor. Okay, so I've selected this, and now this floor should be floating, or sorry, the staircase should be floating. Okay, but this is not the way that I wanted to have them situated. I wanted to have it more like a 7. So to rotate this stair, you press your space bar. All right, and nope, that rotated it a different way. I don't want it that way. So I'm going to rotate it again. That's not exactly the way I want it. There we go. I just rotated it until I got the configuration I wanted. And then it kind of snapped into the location where I want it. So I'm going to place it there. So this arrow is pointing, I think it is pointing up, I'm not sure. So it could either be going up or down, and either way we can flip it. So I'm just going to select the green check mark, and I'm going to see, okay, yeah, so it's situated properly. So if you have it that this is the bottom of the staircase and this is the top, and you wanted it to switch, all you would have to do is select, cancel out of this. Select your staircase. You can edit the stairs, and you can go to your tools. It's a drop-down menu and flip. So then this will be stair number 1, and this will be stair 14. So I'm going to select OK on this one, and then it has, I'm going to go to the basement level. So this says my stairs are starting here and going up this way. So that's not what I wanted. Select, cancel, edit stairs, and I want that to be flipped because I want the stairs to start here and go down that way. Now let's go back up to my main floor, and let's check this out in 3D. I'm going to go to my basement. Let's see, basement top level. Yeah, that should be right. I just had to select that green button once again, and it is showing the railing up in the floor. So now what we have to do is we need to make an opening in the floor to match our staircase. So by doing that, I need to create an opening. So architecture, and then it says opening right here. This is the one I want to do to select. So I'm going to go by face. Oh, of course it wants me to save the project. Does that once in a while. So I've already selected that. And now I'm going to draw. I'm just going to draw a box. It's going to O-snap. And I'm going to pick a boundary again, just like before. So what I really should have done here for me to see below the staircase is to turn off, maybe I can do that right now, is to turn this off. I want that to be a wireframe so that I could see the boundary. There we go. And let's see, I don't think I selected that properly. That's fine. What I can do is I can hit a cancel. I'm going to select this line, and I'm just going to move it. All right. Edit, sorry, I should have, instead of done that, I should have selected the boundary, edit the boundary, and that's going to highlight it purple or magenta. So now you can move this to where it should go. And you can select the line and then nudge it over with your arrows. And this is where you can delete the line and you can create it somewhere else. You can delete the line, and then if you need to extend it somewhere or if you need to change the shape of it, then that would work. Okay, now let's see what this looks like fully rendered and realistic. All right, and in 3D, let's check it out. There we go. Now I have a staircase and an opening. And it goes right down to the basement. Now in the basement, I think I might draw a wall around here. Or I might draw a half wall up here. Or I can put a railing around it. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. But that's how you insert a staircase from the basement to the first floor and then create an opening around the staircase. Okay, that's it. Thank you.